Another pet peeve would be footwear. I know that people, when people attend events, they dress up, they hire a makeup artist, sila kang gayak na gayak Pilipino. And then they wear the wrong shoes. Sabi ko, sayang naman the preparation that they went through. And no, really. Tapos, di ba, they had their nails done pa and everything. And then when you look at the shoes, parang sayang.
Parang off.
Parang off.
Okay. So the shoes talaga make and break a look.
Sometimes you don't, even if you wear a plain outfit, you wear great shoes. Okay na yun.
Are you worried? You want us to
Tatanggalan ko ng
check your
sapatos
shoes?
ngayon,
I actually looked at your shoes a while ago. Maybe that's my bad habit. When people say, you always look at shoes because I tend to remember
Oh my
people
God,
with
wait,
shoes.
sandali. Did you judge my shoes today? Bagay
Because I
naman siya
always
with my coat.
No, because people remember people. I tend to remember people by shoes.
Tingnan mo, nagtanggal na
This is
siya ng shoes.
this is the
Na-conscious
worst
siya.
time for me to not have researched you properly.